Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Siri not working on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on Siri. Then click on talk to Siri. Make sure you turn on Siri by selecting Hey Siri or Hey Siri. That is important. Now if you want the Siri to work, each time you press the side button, turn on, press side button for Siri. So if you go ahead, press the side button, this is going to wake Siri. Sorry. But in this case, let's disable this. Then again, you want to come down and choose voice. Now go ahead and select your preferred choice for Siri. After that, turn on allow Siri when logged. Then come to Siri responses and click on it. Then select between automatic or prefer spoken responses. And after that, if you go ahead and say, Hey Siri, go back to the home screen. And that's it. So that's exactly how to fix Siri not working on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.